Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonFireTools.com. Well, it's great to be back here at Motorhead Garage with my good friend Dave and the best crew in the business. And you guys are going to love this. AMSOIL stepping up to the plate and bringing us 52 tech tips. We all love the tech tips. Perhaps your car is a little bit sluggish. Well, maybe you're going along and you're losing performance. Well, that might just mean that your knock sensor is doing its job. What is a knock sensor? What does it do and how does it work? Well, a knock sensor does exactly what it says it does. It senses knocks or vibrations in the coolant. How does that work? Well, here's a demonstration of a cylinder, and the piston's going up and down in here, and it comes up to the compression stroke, and then bam, it fires. That's the power stroke. Well, we want everything clean, we want everything good in here, so that piston's not rattling from side to side. When it rattles from side to side like that, well, you're actually getting that right there. And that actually, inside of the coolant, causes vibrations in the coolant, and then the knock sensor sitting right there in the coolant jacket. It's a piezoelectric generator. It actually senses that, and then it tells the computer, hey, that piston's rattling, and when that piston's rattling, bam, we retard timing, losing performance. Not a good thing. And you can look at the graphic right there. You can see the computer on the top. It's actually sensing that vibration, and down below, you see the knock retard at 0. Nothing's going on. When it starts rattling, it's at 3 degrees. Len, if I'm at 3 degrees retard, I'm losing power. That's not a good thing.
You are, and people may not even notice that until they go to fill up at the gas station. They're noticing they're using more fuel, the car isn't as responsive. So why not keep the generator from doing its job in the first place by doing some simple maintenance items? And we're talking about AMSOIL Performance Improver today. It's an extremely potent detergent. It's got some really cool technology inside of it that's designed to keep deposits from happening on top of the piston that's going to create detonation, pre-ignition like you were discussing earlier, and cause that knock sensor to do its job. So by using the proper combination of chemistry in here, we can keep that all from happening, keep the engine clean, keep the performance level and fuel economy up, and basically just keep that car happier.
Absolutely. If I'm not retarding the timing, I don't have to push the gas as much. I'm saving gas as well, and that's a huge thing today.